Hi everyone, my name is Taufik, design engineer at Tenet Technetronics. Today I will be taking you through two products and also will be giving a brief introduction on how the product works and what is it actually. Hello everyone, today I will be taking you through the resistor network, that is a 10K ohm resistors. So this is a series of networks. At times when you are connecting a circuit, we need a number of resistors to be connected in the breadboard. So this makes the connections more complex, more dense. So we could go for this single inline component, which is actually 8 individual 10K ohm resistors that share a common terminal on pin 9. They work well as a current limiting resistors for a row of LEDs, or just a one can replace a number of resistors when connecting with 10 LED bar graph displays. So this saves a lot of space, and it is more even easier for connecting, making it less complex, and they work also well as a pull down resistor for DIP switches. Thank you for listening to this video. If you have any doubts or queries, you can log on to www.tenettech.com or you can drop a mail to info@tenettech.com.